Trailsaders out there, and today
we're going to be building a new trail.
So let's go!
Alright, so right here is where we're going to be building the trail. It is kind of hard to see right now, but basically this is just a straightaway, and then it curves around a tree, and then we go into some bushes, and then come back out, and we are going to be connecting it to one of the main trails. So, yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to be like creating the outline of the trail where the jumps are going to be. So yeah, here we go.
Alright guys, so we just finished the trail, and now we're going to add some finishing touches.
So we'll see you when we're done.
Alright guys, so we've just kind of finished up for today. It's going to rain for the next 2 days, so we are going to cut to when we're going to build the jumps, which should be around Thursday because today is Monday. So here we go.
See you in the next clip. Alright guys, it's Wednesday, not Thursday. Today we're going to be finishing off the video. And what are we going to do in Clayton?
We're going to be finishing off the jumps. So here's the areas we're going to be building in. Alright, so the area we're going to be building this in is a nice flat area that allows you to get as much speed as possible and as much height as possible. So let's go.
Alright guys, so we're done. Here's how it looks. Guys, now that you saw what it looked like, now we're going to show you some clips of us going over the jump.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. So some kids decided to have the audacity and destroy our jump that we put a lot of effort into. So here's what it looks like now. Alright, so as you can tell, the ramp is pretty much destroyed. It really sucks, but yeah, we're just gonna attempt to rebuild it again and see what happens. So here we go.
Plan for today is to like rebuild it so we can at least get the montage, because today we're gonna do the montage. So we're gonna try to rebuild it real quick, and then yeah, see you when we're done. Finished repairing it. This is what it looks like. Here's a little bit of a montage of us going over it.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world.
That's gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always,
Make sure to like and subscribe to Yellow Panther.
and we'll see you in the next one.